It's gonna be a pretty wild day today. Let's see, is it gonna work? I mean, hell, let me know if there's any issues with this. Is Streamlabs. I want to check and see how this one works. I turned that other one off. I was getting tired of it. But good morning, everybody. Happy FOMC day again. See how this is gonna end out. China's they're supposed to start putting more money back into their market. The Shanghai Composite is hot right now. China's up 10%. Like yesterday, they were down a significant amount, but I mean, look at that size up 10%, 9.08%. That's fucking crazy. That's pretty impressive right there. So we'll see how it's gonna be. They're kind of expecting like a mother of all bounces or rallies. Well, we'll see what happens. I mean, last 2018, that's what happened. So I don't know. Kind of a little excited. Powell. At least Powell's on time. First rate hike. First rate hike. It's like guaranteed. Seems like it's all good news all across the whole board. Banks are already going. And that was the bell, but I didn't hear shit. Fuck, Bank of America's up. TLT is up. TBT is coming down at $20. And Bank of America is coming. I grabbed contracts at the close yesterday for Bank of America at like nothing. Who the fuck is that? And what the hell did I just get filled on? Wheat's coming back down. Oh yeah, 430 on the SPY. 430. Man, we went back to 430 quick. 430 is where we need to be. 427, 430 was the spot I was talking about yesterday. Well, that's what I've been talking about. That's the key level. Come on. It's acting slow right now. What are we looking like on the market? 100 basis points. What the fuck was that? Oh my God, everything's acting funny right now. Banks are already up 2%. That's a pretty good sign right there. Today with the Fed, we will be looking to see if the yield curve flattens. That will be key. BABA weeklies are going to be through the roof. Where's NEO at? I got NEO, damn, 18% on NEO. Have you seen BABA? Oh my God. BABA is just killing it. 92 bucks on BABA. Good morning. Glad I started adding to BABA when I did. Mulan's coming back up. Hopefully Ariana didn't sell her whole position over there. VIX just threw itself off the cliff. Oh, Starbucks is doing fucking hell well too. They had their they're supposed to be bringing one of their CEOs back. Some shit like that. NASDAQ is looking up pretty well. Yeah, because we sold off at one point, if you look at it. Especially on the NASDAQ. How many names up? Dude, did I forget my water again? Oh, there it is. We got 5,300 names up. Hey, how's audio and everything sound? Because I switched over to trying Streamlabs out. You use all. I fucking always say way too many of them. You is running. Mulan is at $1.72. Baba, what happened over there, Baba? Baba's slipping. It's calling my ankle. Mulan's taking off. Let's see where's the Bank of America calls. Damn, I got so many contracts expiring this Friday. Oh my God. That's crazy. Well, we got GNPX up here. Let's get rid of that one. Where's GNPX? Let's see how they're doing after all that. 1455, huh? What did they hit yesterday? 1290. Oof. Oof. God damn, AMC's getting fucking. Come on, man. They don't like that fucking gold mine. It's a gold mine. Who else do we got? EXLA. Where's that one at? Nothing. Where's the XLEA? God damn, 48 cents? Oh, Jesus, that's fucking, that one's in the dirt. That one is in the dirt. That was just all bad all around. Well, what's we got? Hook. Where's that hook one at? That expires this Friday too. That looks like shit too. Buy is coming back up. 430. 430. Let's see if he's gonna get to 431. You'll be able to gas through it. I mean, hell, with China, with the way this shit is over here, like 9%, almost fucking 10% over there. That's a big move from yesterday for today. That's really good news for China. News out of Europe isn't too bad. I mean, I like the fact that China's going to be putting some more money in there. They said that they're cool over there. The Kremlin news, fuck, what was it again? Hudson Bay considers bid for coals. Russia's Putin says, we do not have any other option but to have the special military operation. Putin says Ukraine could have had nuclear weapons in the foreseeable future. He's trying to say it. That's good. I like it. This fucking guy. Putin is out there. He's speaking on something. Putin says Ukraine backed up by Western powers planned aggression against Russia. Huh? Putin says Russia has no goal in occupying fucking Ukraine. Huh. This is fucking Putin. He said, oh shit, Bank of America is coming down hella hard right now. Yo, fucking Putin. No, we're all right, dude. I use your meme all the time. I love that meme. You know, where you do a little nod and the clap, and he's like, I love that shit. This guy needs to relax already. It's not that bad. I mean, it is cold over there in Russia, so I don't know. Oh, Zelensky has a speech. A peach. Get a peach. Get a speech. What is this? What is this? Russia asks U.S. to stop weapons supply to Ukraine in call. Commodities are getting fucking mollywop there now. Alcoa. Let me see. Alcoa's moving. I expect that to do good after fucking, that's fucking AA. Damn. A lot of defensive names are down. Defensive tech are leading. LME says electric trading and nickel to resume 2 p.m. That shit hit limit down, or limit down in the first few minutes. Yeah, I was taking off. $431.30 on the spot. That is crazy. Straight through. Look at that. You see this shit? This is wild right here. Like, I don't think I've ever seen fucking open and nothing but green. Like, huh? That's a lot of green candles. I mean, not for some time. Not for some time. That's for damn sure. Not since like March or some shit of 2020. That's like that's very rare to see that many green candles, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's got 10 and it's still going, man. We just wanted the fucking their government leadership set your fucking economy back 5 years and run up your fucking infrastructure, fucking ruin it, right? We never intended to occupy or install ourselves at this fucking. Damn. Look at this fucking spy chart is looking just very very green. I'm off it. Wow. We're gassing right now out the door. It just needs to keep it going. It needs to keep it going. Yeah, so far all the news is seeming pretty good. I think a lot of people are kind of over Ukraine shit, but expect banks to do good today. Expect TBT to probably make some kind of moves to the top side. I'm expecting that to blow through the third 21 today. If not by the end of this week. Because there's so much going on right now, but it's just like, fuck, I don't know. A lot of assumptions. But good morning, Waldo. How we doing, bro? How's everything sounding on your end? It says everything's cool over there. Fucking with the audio. Putin says he's ready for talks. Huh? Look at that shit. We are still going green. That's 10 minutes of green candles. 10 green candles, man. I don't know what's going on, Waldo. Bullish as shit. This is pretty gassy. It's pretty gassy. LMT is down like 3.9 or some shit. I don't know. Maybe war odds are, you know, depreciating or some shit, you know. Look at LMT, he's getting clipped. Fuck, where you go? And then there is a speech, but he already did it, right? Yeah, that was Zelensky. Motherfucker. Oh yeah, I need to put the thing where it notifies me. Meanwhile, 30% of Russian forces have been fucking destroyed or disabled, and the rest is running out of fucking fuel and food, and they're stuck in the mud and getting rocketed. You see that one where they're showing the drone, and they I think that was a fucking artillery strike that hit them, a rocket artillery strike. God damn, look at the spy is still going green. That's what, 23 or 11 green candles. Good. Got one of my clients contract yesterday for the rate hike for today. Nice. Get it in real quick. I grabbed some Bank of America contracts towards the close of yesterday. I just grabbed whatever ones I could find for $1. Just grabbed like 5 of them. Like, let's go. But JP Morgan, I think they speak after Powell. Or as he begins to speak or some shit like that. Putin says the problem in the West will only increase. Putin says West is pushing Ukraine to continue the bloodshed by supplying arms. Putin says West is pushing, fucking Putin. My guy, come on, bro. It's not that bad. Let's have a smoke and a drink. 4.25% on interest rate. Yeah, we're expecting something like what? I don't know. It's, you know, double rate hike would be, you know, pretty fucking wild. Because I think Fed Powell is actually one of the more hawkish Fed chairmen we've heard. I think he's more hawkish or almost comparable to Volcker. Like, I think he's up there. He's fucking up there. That's for damn sure. Fuck. Fox News says Benjamin Hall, injured in fucking Ukraine, is now safe. Okay, he's cool. He said it. False alarm. Yeah, Putin's talking shit over there. It's the West. And it's still going. What is that? 23, 24, or 13 candles of green? U.S. foods holding grain 2% as returned. Reuters says border shut up yield. Huh? Shut up yield. This is, look at that. 13 minutes of green. I don't think 13, 14. I don't think I've seen this ever. Oh, AMC's at $15. They say, yay, we're getting a gold mine. Like, what are we looking at? Did you see what fucking, oh, look at this shit. They're up. And 9%. These little motherfuckers killed it. These little motherfuckers killed it. Hell, they were down like what, 5% yesterday? 5, 6%? Some shit like that. Altry and all those little fuckers are down though, so that's gonna be the first red day for them, which is kind of good and bad. At least it gives you an idea. It's still going. If someone gave me the chance to fucking definitely keep on by force out or let the name country government take over, I'd be like, fucking hand me my bottle of fucking tequila and I'm alright. That's it. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's getting pretty making some pretty bold statements over there. He's making some pretty bold accusations. VIX is UVXY is back at 1833. And DraftKings is trying to get up there. Look at that. That's another green candle. That's 14, 15 minutes. I don't think I've ever seen 15 minutes of green. I don't even think that happened after the pandemic or after the crash in 2020. Cannot believe how many crashes we've had. Like literally some crashes. Huh? Shit. Talking about some crashes, man. This is wild. There it goes, fam. Look at it, 432.27, and that's 15 minutes of green. What's going on, stock raider? Then the market meltdown is over. It looks like. I don't know. I've ever seen this much green on the damn. This is wild right here on the SPY. I've never seen green. 15 minutes. Oh, wheat is getting smacked. It's heartbreaking. That's heartbreaking. But yeah, it's looking pretty bullish across the whole board. It's just hell. Russia is talking still. Putin, Russia to reward foreign companies that remain. Yo, Jack, what? I don't know. This whole thing coming out from Putin. He's like he's on something else. Russian Putin says Western actions showed gold. Showed gold and forex reserves can be just stolen. They can be stolen. God damn, another green candle. That's for 16 minutes of green. Oh, let me see. Crow's waking up over there. That's fucking good. Look at this finally. What's the crypto market cap looking like? Who the fuck's calling for a no-fly zone? Someone's calling for a no-fly zone. Hang on. A lot of people are taking this super bullish. The China and Europe news was that 5-10% move is big. Oh, it's not, man. It's under 40 cents. It is still holding up. Still holding up pretty good, man. It's almost back to where I started buying it again, huh? You need to come back down here again one more time. We ain't done yet. I think it can come down some more. Oh, we ain't done yet. I think it can come down some more. So horrible. Horrible. Oh, is that the first? It's still going. 17 minutes of green. Is it? Well, let's see if it's gonna keep it up. It's 20 minutes. That's crazy. If it can keep moving. She's getting ejected at that 15. Putin says Western actions are similar to anti-Semitic program. Yeah. Wow. In Germany, in the 19th, this mother. He could say, what? That's wild, Putin. That's a fucking that's something else. Ukraine president says unofficiated of Ukraine energy systems with European grid is complete. Oh, unification. God, they finally hooked up with the fucking whole Euro power grid, apparently. It's still going. It's still going. That's 18 minutes of green. Like, damn, if it hits 20, like, that is bullish as fuck. Because that was basically, we had what, the first wave, second wave. Yeah, I mean, you know, this could be the first, this could be the second. We could be aiming for another one. I don't know. This might Mm, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, the Russian default though. They were starting this week talking. There we go. We got our first red. No, it was into that. We made it to like what 18 minutes of green, and then first red candle. Son of a bitch. No, can we count that as a red candle? Can we get a ref in here to fucking check this out? This is bullshit. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. To zoom out and come back in, it's completely different. Swear to God. Yeah, we need to get someone to check that out. That's a pretty the Russia shit's pretty, I don't know, that's pretty crazy. Russia says West is seeking to dismember Russia, but it will not succeed. They're supposed to default in the next 2 days though, right? On the or is it today? Yeah, they are. They're supposed to. They have a payment they're supposed to make today. Lockheed's on the low. Four's up just a little bit. I mean, what about Chamber? Not a whole lot over there. That Mulan one ain't really moving either. A lot of stuff that was just doing horrible is starting to do better. GNPX maybe? GNPX is back at, nah, I mean, it really. First 3 red candles. There's Merc. Actually check the dollar out. That's what I forgot to see the dollar. What's the dollar doing? Yeah, the dollar is tripping. Well, what I will be paying attention to from Fed Powell is how many more rate hikes we're supposed to see. Ukraine aid talks, positions, Pacific need security guarantees. What? Oh, they need guarantees. There's just so much right now. Fuck. But China, Ukraine, Powell, like, dude, are you serious? You get Ukraine, Russia, and Powell all in one day. Bonds are slipping a little bit. Starbucks has that Howard, the CEO guy. He's coming back. That fool killed it. The fucking Howard guy. He's a smart motherfucker. They're bringing him back. They were like, you know what? Bring Howard back. We need him. TBT. Damn, I lost. I still got $100 on the profit on those contracts. I have to just get rid of them. Fuck. Zelensky. Putin says West thinks whoa. We will step back. The West doesn't understand Russia. Putin's going to town. Where's GameStop actually? I don't want to see anything. See what's GameStop. 86. Coming up in a little bit. Snap is just fucking taking off right now. Literally rocket ship. It's literally a rocket ship. DraftKings at 17-12. Oh, let's see. I still have contracts on that one. Oh, shit, wait. Trying to think. There's a lot going on today. There's just a lot. Fuck. We're getting some red over there. Look at this volume. This actually looks a lot normal though. Compared to what we've been seeing. Grab contacts on D-Watt. Hell yeah. That's good. DWAP. Let me see what's DWAP price at right now. The motherfucking truth, baby. Digital world, there it is, 67. That's not a bad price, Sock Raider. Not a bad price at it. Last time it was here, it just fucking took off. It's looking good on the 1 day chart too. I mean, hell, $60 isn't bad. Best performing SPAC ever. I still feel SPACs are very scammy though. I still feel they're very scammy, man. For sure, the SPAC. Oh yeah, but just in case you guys don't know, Powell's decision was made yesterday. Okay, it was already, they already came up with it. Everything going on right now is based off of the future or what they said yesterday. So now we're waiting to see what Fed Powell sees the market. Like, that's what's going to be going on today. So yeah, all these charts and everything we're seeing right now, everything happened yesterday. So like they're talking about 8 rate hikes. But now we'll see how the markets took it, and then Powell's going to kind of determine if it was the right approach or whatnot. It's like a little fucking a pep talk after, just to make sure, you know, a wellness call. Check. Are you good? You're good? Are you taking it okay? Did you take what I said well? No. He's all, oh, shit, the market's selling off. Never mind. Or if it's running up too much, then he'll kind of make a decision to calm it down, to cool it down, or, you know, to let it get hot. It all depends. Very weird how it works. Almost very weird how it works. I love it. Sounds like they don't know what the fuck they're doing. It's all just a guess. It's like a holiday, though, huh? Powell Day, baby. Powell Day. What is the day? Fucking Wednesday. We still got 2 more days left of the week after this, so we'll see how the market's going to take it. Next week's going to be just, it could be pretty bullish next week. You just got to see how everything's going to play out in the weekend. And then just pay attention to the yield curve. If that shit flattens, that's bad, because that's what he's going to look for. He's going to look at the yield curve and see if it flattens out. But Powell's going to come on. He's going to do whatever, you know, how he does it. And then he might give us one little piece of news or a new update. And then it'll start setting up for like, for the digestion, you know. Like the non-farm payrolls and shit like that. DEI swing to $1.70. Let's see. Let's see. Well, holding it. I was gonna sell it when it had that. I fucking should have, but I'm like, a little more. Just didn't say it out loud this time. I thought it though. I was like a little bit more, but yeah, where it is, it can get back up there. Cause I mean, hell, we'll see what happens. Like today's gonna, you know, whatever Powell does could mess up a lot of shit though. Like just pay attention to the bonds, cause like if TLT like fucking starts to skyrocket, that's bad. That's not good. That's not good. Putin will raise will raise all social payment benefits, state wages. Yo, dude, I need a job. I'm going to Russia. He's raising all wages and everything. He's going to Putin adjustment will temporarily boost inflation, unemployment. Putin's survive West economics. He's just going to town. Tesla closes Shanghai Gigafactory for 2 days as COVID case spike in China. That doesn't sound like it was Elon's idea. He'd been like, get your motherfucking ass back to work. It's gonna pump, I think. Hell yeah, fucking stock raider. I think it will too. It will too. As soon as it does, I'm getting the fuck out of that motherfucker. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to look at it ever again. Anybody brings it up, I'll ban your ass. No, fucking done with you. Done with that motherfucker. Never again. Never again. Or I was there. I think you were there when I bought it. I was like calling. I was like, dude, I hate this company. It's so scammy. I shouldn't do it. And then fuck it, let's go and buy in. And then like, And then we got fake PR, and then it was fucking. It felt like 2020 all over again with CEI. Shit. Yeah, I think so. I think it will. If everything's good, like if the market is gonna do anything like what it did the last time we had a rate hike, which was 2018, it's gonna be pretty exciting. But now we have, like, you know, like I said, we got China, we got Russia, Ukraine, you know, there's a lot today. There's a lot. I'm just glad they finally fixed all the bugs and everything because of the uptick in volume and trades. That was horrible in fucking March 2020 when it fucking crashed the system. That shit was hilarious and sad all at once. DWAP 6840. Putin private sector key to overcome an economic crisis. Yeah, he's really talking over there. He's going down. Tesla's skyrocketing right now. Oh, Tesla kind of sold off this morning though in pre-market. Yo, wow, they actually skyrocketed. U.S. January business sales up 3.7%. U.S. home builders was fucking 33. No, wait. Whoa, where'd it go? Housing index was 79 versus 1. And then retail sales was fucking 79. What was it? The housing market index was 79 versus 81 in February. What else was there? Where'd it go? I lost it. Son of a bitch. That news comes in way too fast. I gotta learn how to slow that shit down. Oh my god, look at Bitcoin. Back up to 40. Bitcoin just gassed it. Everything's kind of just taking off right now. I lost it, dude. What was the other numbers at? I'm looking for the other housing numbers. It was good though. I think. Don't be buying no options right now because they get fucking they get juiced. Like they get just jacked up on the prices. Don't fucking try to buy any contracts on the day. Like, I mean, they've just been real just jacked up lately, especially the premium. They'll rob you. CEI is looking like it wants to come back up and bust through that high. Looking pretty strong. Tesla's at 830. UDXY is back down at 1811. Coinbase introduces Coinbase Pay coin. Really? Coinbase. I haven't even looked at Coinbase. Let's see what they got going on. But that's good for TBT because last time, usually when TLT comes out the door swinging hard, or TBT comes out swinging hard, I mean, it usually doesn't end the day well, but coming in a little cooled off is actually better for TBT because TLT is just way the fuck. It's too high right now on TLT. I know damn well it is just by looking at TBT. They're not fucking with you no more, TLT. Yeah, because they're still waiting for their bonds to mature, and then once they mature, expire, then that's when they're done with these ones because they're not buying no more TLT. Where's that other one? Where's the fucking cruise lines at? Cruise lines, no. AL, American Airlines. Damn it. Let me see. Where this one go right here? I lost it. Man. Pal. It's crazy. End of the day for Pal, though. I know what. Pal day. There's so much going on out there. I'm surprised we're not up more. I mean, especially with the way, well, I guess you can see why they're up 9% over there at fucking hang side. Look at that. Hang side. 20,000. They killed it. I want $1,600 over there today. 1,900 names down, 5,600 names up. And hell, the Dow is. This chart is fucking. Look at this shit. It's like a crazy ass X going on over here. You got the NASDAQ going up to the moon. The SPY's kind of just flat. And then you got the Dow to the downside. That's so weird. Shanghai Composite just. What's supposed to kill it all there? They killed it. They killed it. I mean, the volume looks so weird though. Like. Well, then again, I mean, China did vow to, you know, they're going to take care of their fucking market. They said no matter what, they're going to hold it up. That was big, though. All those green candles, but now it's just looking... Nah, it's not looking too good. Ah, son of a bitch. I forgot about the gamma squeeze, though. All the expirations on the fucking contracts this Friday. That is gonna free up a lot of gamma. Jasmine gave it all up, huh? Bitcoin came up to that 40.88 and came right back down. Damn it, what's that one that got limit down today? LME, that was the one that got fucking halted this morning. LME. Yeah, everything's been pretty much priced in for the most part with Fud Pal. Yeah, the LME nickel shit. What you got going on over there, Waldo? Yeah. Oh yeah. So the Starbucks CEO, he retired, and then the other one's coming back in. So the Howard guy, he knows what he's doing. Wait a minute. The fuck did I put my damn thing? Oh, who they passed a bill yesterday. What was that bill about? Fucking bitch. Where'd I go with it? The index plays fuck too, man. Those RSX ones, those Russian ones, I couldn't do shit with them. No getting out of it. What's going on, Win Moon? He said, what's going on, Green? For the most part, I mean, we're having a little bit. We had this crazy move in the morning, all green, and then we kind of just like, fizzled out a little bit. We'll see where we're gonna come at. Yeah, right now. I mean, we weren't able to bust through the fucking. That was pre-market though. So good. We'll see. Everything's already pretty much priced in though with Powell. Like we already know. I mean, they're saying 7 rate hikes. Or was it 8? 7 or 8? 7 or 8. That's crazy. Where the fuck did it go? Yeah, the last time, 2018 was the last time we raised it. And even 2015, you guys realize 2015 was the last time, or not 2015, but 2018. Because 20, what? 15, I think that's when Yellen was in there. I think that's 5 to 7. Yep. They're talking about 7. Yeah, 7. I'm thinking like 6 maybe. Come in here with a double. Double it up. Double or nothing. A lot. But yeah, China, they're supposed to be what? They said that they weren't gonna let their market or their economy come down. They were gonna basically take care of it and keep it up. They would do whatever it took. Little bounce back above VWAP on the SPY. GameStop's back at 87. Fucking fan up, it's getting hot. It's like the Dow, everything's kind of taking back off again. Let's see, we back above 6,000. We're still right there, 56 too. What was this? What is this? New from FT, progress towards a pace deal. FT. Let's see, what is this one? Let me check this shit out. Oh, that was 10 billion worth of these fucking planes and Russia seized. Yeah, you hear that? Oh, that was like what, a while back, and they took fucking the Boeing planes, like 500. It was like 500 planes, wasn't it? Financial Times. Oh, Ukraine and Russia draw up neutral plan to end war. To the moon, everybody, to the moon. Get to the rocket ship. Get to the rocket ship. Yeah, that just hit the wire right now. Fucking energy, wheat's gonna get clobbered. If Kyiv, if hang on. If Kyiv declares neutral and accepts limits on its armed forces, but I think that's from this morning though. Wait a minute. This might be some bullshit right here though. That was this morning news. They're recycling it. They're recycling it. Pump it again. Mentioned it yesterday. Up. On the head, bro. On the head. Hey, timing, bro. Timing. I mean, you know, I mean, fuck. It's crazy. He's down 5%. Like, you know, I was just like, you know what? It's probably lines up. It only makes sense, right? It only makes sense. Like, if it, you know, fuck. Damn. I use that in everything. If it makes sense, I use that when I'm doing a fucking repair on a vehicle. Yeah, it made sense. That's what it was. It just lines up with a lot of different stuff. It's just the narrative still very weird. 15-point draft deal would involve Kyiv re-announcing NATO membership ambitions as a return for security guarantees. SEC Commission Hessler Pierce won't seek renomination. They're moving off that shit though, right there. That sounds like the bully says, give me your fucking money and get out of the way. God damn, that sounds like the market is just digested it very, very well right now. Market's liking it so far, getting straight gas. Where's Bitcoin? If Bitcoin's following it, dude, fucking bullshit. Bitcoin's following it. Everything's in a rocket right now. Apple's taking off. DWAC. This is this could be like a 4 or 5% day, maybe, if it keeps going, possibly. JP Morgan, Airbnb's coming up. Oh, anything that was beaten down, like any tech, like Roblo, you know what I mean? Fuck, who else is down? Fuck. PLTR, maybe? PLTR. Apple's hitting the high. Let's see who else we got out here. What else we got? What else is fucking cheap right now? AL's at $16. That's not too cheap though. Who else is out there? It's fucking dirt cheap. AGRI? AGRI might add they're not even getting nothing off of it. GNPX maybe. Hey, this would be perfect for some fucking PDUFA approvals. I'm telling you. This would be perfect for some PDUFA approvals. God damn it. A lot of shit starting to skyrocket right now. DWAC is going. Coinbase is taking off. Yeah, we're getting a lot moving up. SPY's going for it again. Who else we got? Where's this fucking W? Everything's taking off except for fucking oil. Oil's gonna get clobbered right now. But it's weird though, because wait a minute. Why did they ask for Congress's help though? Like, it's very confusing. Why would Ukraine ask for Congress's help? And then now there's, but then again, that's all coming from, I don't even know. It's a wild move right now. It's crazy. It's a crazy, crazy, crazy move. Yeah, DWAC looks ready to fucking rip. Market buying short squeeze signals. What's going on, right? Cryptomaniac is looking strong right now. I mean, but the timing is just right on point. Just like I was saying yesterday. Like, I wouldn't be too surprised. Going on acid, how we doing, bro? Good morning. And happy Fed Powell today. We got Powell, we got China news, we got Russia, Ukraine news, there's a lot. And then if you missed this open, this was crazy. This was like 18, 17 minutes of green. Never seen that before in my life. Oh, I never seen that in my life before right there. I don't think. Not on the SPY anyways. And then crypto is starting to take off too. But it sucks though because fucking crypto's following the market for the most part. But there's talks of some kind of de-escalation over there. But remember, Russia's supposed to pay one of their notes today. They're supposed to default. Remember, ceasefire though. All you gotta do is hear ceasefire, the market's gone. Like it don't even care at that point. Because this isn't ceasefire they just said, but it's kind of seeming more de-escalation than anything. Getting fucking cash injection from the feds? Oh fuck no, they're coming in and they're saying 7 rate hikes. They already said it yesterday. They already agreed on it today. We're just gonna hear from Fed Powell on. He's gonna give us like one more update, and then he's gonna see how the bonds are, taking it, and see how the market performed with the 7 rate hikes, 6 to 7. No ceasefire. They said something about having talks of de-escalation bullshit, but nah, it wasn't ceasefire. That was different. This is a little different. Let's see, where to go. It says if you that can't even talk. Where to go? Second, Ukraine and Russia draw up neutral plans to end war. That was the big news right there. But I want to say that was this morning. But if we get a ceasefire, then that's going to be the kicker. All we need to do is just hear ceasefire, and everything's going to just take off. Ceasefire. But they made an agreement this morning, though, that I got to figure out how to get this fucking my news under control over here, because it just comes through like crazy. Hang on, I found it. Right here. It says Ukraine and Russia have made a significant progress on a 10 to 15 point peace plan, including a ceasefire and Russia withdrawal if Kyiv declares. Oh wow, they said it right there. Full deal, which Ukraine and Russia negotiated, discussed it in full for the next time and months. They involve Kyiv renouncing its ambitions to plan join NATO. Yeah, we already read that one. Nature of the Western Guard guarantees for Ukraine securities and the acceptability of them. Give us your money and just put down your arms basically still, but we'll see. Play out. But for the most part, I mean, hell, it's doing good. I'm really liking China even more. China said they ain't gonna let their economy or their market come down, and they're up 9% on the hang. That's a lot, 9% just on the hang side. And TBT still coming down. I gotta wait till after. Won't do really move until tomorrow or Friday on expiration. And I've been holding those TBT contracts for over a year now. I bought those motherfuckers at the beginning of 2021, I think. Don't see that happening. Nah, I don't see it. I mean, hell, it's just who knows? Like all I gotta do, like we said, well, the fucking timing is crazy. It's crazy. If I didn't know any better, I said this shit was set up. Oh, about 0.25 for the day, right? What is the futures at right now? The futures are already all justified, or not justified, but already priced everything in already. What you got that there for? we'll see. He might go 0.5%. I mean, that's the possibility everybody's talking about, but I mean, I doubt it. I doubt it. But you know, it's there. It's there. There. Yo, wait a minute. We got wheat news. Some wheat news. Some wheat news. Hang on. Not weed, but wheat. Confirmed 10-year yield gains, dollar drops after report on Ukraine. Spring wheat falls by exchange limit to $10.50 a bushel. Yeah. Okay. And then contra take is what we've done. Russia blames sanctions for pushing it towards first default since 1998. Oh, yeah, he's not gonna be happy after this. Oh my, he's not gonna be happy after. He's gonna have to run back home. Wheat. But a lot of stuff's still going. We got 6,000 yet? And we at 6,000 yet? No, we're still just chilling right here. We're slowly moving up. But basically, I mean, all the charts look the same. The Dow finally got with the game because Dow wasn't doing too hot this morning. It came kind of straight down. But that's, you know, understandable because you got a lot of fucking oil and shit over there, energy. You know, oil's not doing good right now. Look at wheat's back at $9. That China lockdown news is big, though. I mean, that. But as long as they're gonna keep injecting their shit over there, fuck it. Let them keep doing it. This is a pretty big bounce, though. I mean, hell, I was talking about like 27, 29 yesterday. 427, 429. We just blew that one right out the water. It's a 3% move. It hasn't even been an hour yet. Like, we're still like, what, 4 minutes shy. Damn, oil still coming down. This move is big though. On fucking for with the Powell coming with Powell Day. Never have I. This is crazy, man. Should be happy about everything rain, but I'm not. You know, I'm still like it's still way overpriced. A lot of this shit's too expensive still. Guess it's not that bad. I mean, we did give back quite a bit. But, you know, I still think, you know, we could have gave back more, especially from what we moved, because what I'm looking at and I continue to look at is this fucking spot right here. This shit, this shit right here. We never really came back and really tested this spot right here at all. This spot right here was just fucking been waiting for us to come back and test that area. I mean, it's kind of predictable in a way, though, isn't it, Acid? I mean, you know, I've been hitting the motherfuckers on the nail, on the head, but pop, this and that. It's kind of, you know, you can kind of predict it a little bit. For the most part, right? It doesn't seem that hard to call what they're going to do. Man, they got some. It does seem like some fuckery though. A lot of fuckery. Like it's just like the timing is just phenomenal on it. It's just crazy on it. The timing is just fucking wow. Just fucking round of applause for me. Like I fucking killed it on the timing. Sam fuckery on every time we see the charts and can't fucking identify it. Feeling of fuckery. It's yeah, you got it exactly. Always go with the first your gut feeling, bro. The first feeling you get, that was it, man. GameStop still at 89. Still got a nice big candle in there. Is it gonna keep moving up? DraftKings 1739. I think I have those contracts expiring this week, right? Oh wait, I got GenPress contracts expiring this fucking Friday too. Crude inventories rose 4 million barrels. That might be a big oil move right there. WTI, let me see WTI. That's not WTI, fucker. Actually, it's on the futures WTI. That's which one I meant. Whoa. See, that was a fuckery right there. DWAC, that's a pretty big candle right there. This isn't really that big though. We've been down like signal, I mean, fuck. If we're still not that big though, it should be up more. I think that's why you're not too pleased with it, acid. I think that's why we're not too like convinced, because like look, we still got a long way to go. We still got a long way to go. Like I would much rather come down and test this gap right here. So this guy right here. This is the one I was kind of hoping we would have came and tested. Maybe even this one right here. There's just so many gap ups that we never really tested. I mean, especially this fuck right here. We'll see if it can keep going though. If it can keep going, we'll just see what happens with the peace talks. If the peace talks are real, that's gonna be like that'll be something. Under a recent past law, spreading intentionally fake news about the Russian military is a crime punishable with fines up to 15 years in jail. They don't mess around over there in Russia, man. Mother Russia. There you go. Sorry on the news bingo right now. That's good, bro. Hey, post it all. I don't care. Blow that shit up. It helps. Russia has also banned the media from fucking calling conflict in Russia. Oh yeah. You see that one lady? She was getting ready to like. They were getting ready to like do a podcast. They came in and they swooped her ass up quick. They said, "Oh, get it." The major market needs to take a hit big time. Just because fucking rate hikes are coming doesn't mean we should be more driven for Russia. The possibility it could make it run though, because rate hikes. I take it as a possibility. I take it as an indication that the market is doing good, but it's fucked right now with CPI being so hot and everything, especially with gas being down so much, and it's not really reflecting at the pump. Waits up, we drop, and rally. Yep. Just like 2018 again. We'll be like, and then, oh, never mind, we're good. Never mind, it's not that bad, bro. It's good. It really don't taste that bad. Give it a try. And then, no. Look, if the market's going to come back down, it comes back down. That's just what it does. You just be ready to have your cash and throw a little bit at it when it comes back down. And then when it rides up, you get rid of it a little bit. Or all of it. But, you know. Rate hikes are meant to inhibit growth, but it's better for banks. Yeah, banks are going to do fucking really good in the banks. Banks will do well in it. Everything else will kind of get shocked. They'll get like a shock from it, and then eventually, over a little bit of time, it'll realize that, you know, it'll learn to, you know, deal with it. Or it'll, you know, overcome that drop it had. Just gotta stay nimble. Stay nimble. Like Fed Pal said, gotta stay nimble. Travel stocks are leading. Google, oh, that one's killing it. Chipotle, man, I so should have grabbed Chipotle in the beginning of the pandemic when that shit hit. When it got clobbered all the way down to the low. This is good timing though. This is good timing because like after all this, like in the next week or two, we get PDUFA approvals and shit like that for these drugs. And Keytruda is gonna blow up. Remember, don't be so quick to accept some shit, especially, you know, with this news that's hitting out there, because a lot of these videos they've been posting aren't even from, like, you know, Ukraine, you know, some of. Right. Ulta's holding up. That one could probably break out. Yeah, Ulta's gonna go. This morning, this wheat was wild though. On the whoa. Oh yeah, that one got limit down. Really? DWAC to 80 end of week. YOLO YOLO calls. Be careful with the calls right now though, because they are very expensive on the fucking premium. And the market maker, I believe he's been ripping people off. The day would have been like 2 days ago, maybe. But I mean, you can. Earthquake hit Saitama. I got the 75 calls for Friday. That's not bad. 75 off for this Friday. Oh yeah, those aren't too bad. $95. Just try to play with the limit. Don't hit the 95 or 84 for whatever. Try to pay like 75 and see if it'll fill you at that. Try low, because you might get filled low on it, because some of these prices just don't make sense. They don't even. It's not the same prices that are popping up on Tastyworks, because you can get these cheaper on Tastyworks for what is this over here? I can get them on Tastyworks for fucking like literally $12 cheaper. Tastyworks has them for 80. Just futures. Futures on futures. Does it have a derivative? Is that what you mean? Is there a derivative on futures? A derivative on the derivative? Yo. Yeah, that started in the morning. The Kremlin hitting that peace talks. 9.1 on the next CPI, bro. I'm on 9.1 on the next CPI. Yeah, because that was the other day when that one popped up. That fucking wholesale prices. It was 10%, and it popped up like what, 3% from the last fucking numbers that came in. They were like 8.9, 8.8. I'm expecting a hot print, and nickel's down like 5%. Oil's getting clobbered. Wheat, sorry, guy. Trying to make it confession. The guys that fucking invented the stock market beat me to it. Make it confusing. This screen, I mean, it's cool. I need to fix the screen on this other one over here. The Streamlabs all right, but I just can't really read the text. The chats over here, fucker. Let's see, make it bigger. Oh yeah, there we go. That's better. Japan tsunami warning issue, huh? Yeah. Man, all I know is, you know what? I'm gonna tell you this, man. Somebody's lying out there. Somebody's lying. What is this? What the fuck? Look at Kyiv rejects what? Nah, bro. This is bullshit. Look at Kyiv rejects proposed neutrality and this is bullshit. That's the news from this morning. 9.1, the low end or high end. I'm thinking the high end for the next print. I'm thinking that's what's gonna come in. Yo, they did make it confusing as fuck too, bro. They did. Like when I first came in here, I'm like, well, why the fuck didn't they just say it like this then? Why do they say it like that for you, motherfucker? They kind of make it so confusing. There's a lot of confusing news. Yeah, they're talking about a 7.3 Japan quake. Oh my, that's pretty big. It's the end of the day. This is like fucking J-Pow day up. It's supposed to be all about J-Pow. We're talking about earthquakes and shit. Oh, damn it, man. Oh, well. Who was that? Everybody keeps their mouth open when they do their fucking things. What do you mean? They all have they got. He fell out. Oh, you're talking about one of the little Dogecoin guys? Well, yeah. He said the other Matt Wallace. Guy's good. Yeah. J-Pow comes on at 2:30 Eastern time. That's fucking hilarious. I mean, not hilarious. That's unfortunate. Yeah. He said, "Oh shit." I said, "Dogecoin well, it's moved 200 or anything." What do you mean? Oh yeah, he started posting shit everywhere. Oh yeah. Everything's taking off a little bit right now. For the most part, it just seems a little, not that bad. Not that bad. Oh, it's just today at 2:30. Yeah, 2:30. Yeah, yeah. Well, everything's already fucking been in already. Yeah, because I had a meeting yesterday. He said Moon Boy. That's fucking messed up. No, he wasn't. Damn, he should have pulled an upshot first. Should have made a coin and then fucking pulled the rug out from him. Yeah, fuck. I mean, hell, hey, it's definitely not for the faint-hearted, especially if you're going to be sitting there watching it every day. There's got to be something wrong with you to watch the market every day, and it comes down like this. I love it. I love it. I still think those coins going to test that 7 cents. I'm still expecting 7 cents. Oh, yep. And I'm about to cut this one down right now. I hit another shop right now. I got about 20 minutes left. Not much. Just a couple other shit I got going on in there. Not too bad. Keeping me busy. That's cool. All right, bro. All right, man. I'll hit you up later. All right, you take care. Bye. That's fucked up, huh? Said he's all in the poor guy. He got into Dogecoin hella late. I told his ass 3 years ago, 2019, before the pandemic hit. I was like, yo, I found this little dog coin. I throw 5 grand at it, and it's hitting. I'm on it, and it's hitting. He waited till Saturday Night Live to buy in on it. Poor guy. Yeah, Acid. Handle it, man. Take care of yourself. Thanks for coming in. I know I gotta get ready to cut this short too. I gotta make it a short day at work. I gotta get with this other customer I got for the 7060. What is it? No, 72 Priest. I gotta do the restoration on it. But what time is it? 46. Stay here for another 4 minutes, but enjoy the rest of your day, Acid. No fly zone. What the fuck they talking about now? Hang on. Hang on. They got way too much bullshit coming in. All right. What are we looking like on the market? Ukraine and Russia drawing up. They're talking about this shit right now. Excuse me. Sorry about that. 18 ain't done nothing over there. What's the VIX doing? BXX. That one down in the dirt. Oof. BXY. 17. It's 1754. Wait, is Alcoa? Wait, why are all the Alcoa's holding up a little bit? Material's not doing too hot. What about X? X is actually holding up. Fucking holding it. X is killing it. Kyiv. I don't know. There needs clarification on this shit from fucking Kyiv and Russia. Like right now, we don't have. My Ruski's not that well. Not great. Time is it? 15. Run. Friday's gonna be big because Powell comes back in on Friday. Everything even expires Friday, so Friday's gonna be huge. WTI dirt. The XELA one is not doing good at all. 52 cents. All right, here we go. Well, fuck it. Let's see what time is it. 7:51. Yeah, I need to get inside. I gotta make my breakfast. All right, Waldo, acid. I gotta get running into work. Stay nimble, man. I'm gonna try to come back in for fucking Fed Pal. We'll see. Can't make any promises. A lot going on.